Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the reset button on your Aura frame is not responding, it can make troubleshooting much more difficult, especially when you're trying to reconnect the frame, clear settings, or start a fresh setup. In some cases, the issue may be as simple as using the wrong reset procedure, while in others it could be related to power, button access, or temporary software behavior. The best part is that many reset related problems can be checked without advanced repairs. Before assuming there's a hardware fault, there are several simple things you can try. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick steps that may help get the Aura Frame reset function working again. Try these. Step 1. Locate the reset button on the Aura Frame carefully. Step 2. Hold the reset button on the Aura Frame for the required time. Step 3. Check the reset button area on the Aura Frame for obstructions. Step 4. Reconnect power to the Aura Frame. Step 5. Watch for response indicators on the Aura Frame. Step 6. Try the reset process on the Aura Frame again.